In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an admin team member to Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a new teammate into your CRM and give them full administrator access without missing any important settings. First, make sure you're signed into your Zoho CRM account with administrator privileges. Only users with admin rights can add new users and define their access level. So if you don't see some of the options I mentioned, you may need to ask your current admin to update your permissions. Once you're logged in, head to the top right corner of Zoho CRM and click the Setup Gear icon. This opens the main setup area for your CRM, where you can manage everything from users to customization and automation. Give it a second to load if your internet is a bit slow. In the Setup menu, look for the General section. Under General, you'll see an option called Users. Go ahead and click on Users. This is where you can see everyone who already has access to your CRM, along with their roles, profiles, and status. To add your new admin team member, click the New User button. In some layouts, you might see a drop-down arrow next to it. If you do, choose Add New Team User. This will open a form where you'll enter the person's information. Now fill in the required details for your new team member. Enter their first name and last name, using the name they'll recognize in emails and in the CRM. Next, add their email address carefully. This is very important because Zoho will send the invitation to this email. Double-check that there are no typos, as a wrong email means they'll never receive the invite. The next part is crucial for making them an admin, assigning the correct role and profile. For the role, choose the position that best reflects where they sit in your organization, such as manager or another leadership role. Roles mainly control data hierarchy and reporting lines. Then, for the profile, select the administrator profile or a custom profile you've already created that has full admin permissions. The profile is what actually controls what they can and cannot do, so choosing an admin-level profile is what gives them full access. Once all the fields look good, click Save. Zoho CRM will immediately send an invitation email to the address you entered. Finally, let your new team member know to check their inbox. Open the invitation email and accept the invite. Their account will only be activated as an admin after they complete that step. Once they accept, they'll be able to log in and start managing your Zoho CRM alongside you.